Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make butter and garlic spinach. We're going to be using baby spinach. We're going to need 3 garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and here I have 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I have a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. We're going to be using about a 1/2 pound of the spinach. Okay guys, in my frying pan, I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 tablespoon of olive oil and also my 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to go ahead and let that melt. Okay guys, once that's melted, we're going to add in our minced garlic and we're just going to saute that. After about a minute of sauteing, we're just going to go ahead and start adding in our spinach. And all we're going to do is move that around in the pan. I'm going to keep moving it around until it all starts to wilt. Once it starts wilting, we're going to take our salt, pepper, and pepper flakes and put that into it. Now all you're going to do is mix until it's well combined, and we're going to keep cooking the spinach until it wilts all the way. Okay guys, now you can turn off the heat and our spinach is now done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our butter and garlic spinach. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.